I think I was on TikTok and I'm bumping into one video. And I think it was Sule Muntaria or Granty interview. And I'll make you one special, it was like a demand. If the Football Association was going to accept it, it would boost the morale of the players, ebe help you. And at the end of Kenny, or say, and can was say GFA, and my old players, Akwenya. Na most of the time, boys need training, camp, bola. They should go close to them. Omo motivate omo ni omo nkasa. They should make them feel say adwuma no omo nim na omo nyina support you omo ti omo nye. And o make statement be say okay say na o Ghana Black Star or bobo bia na to say say abedi pele VIP stands nima. E boosting the morale or per se or bobo na mani so abedi ni. Enti ohun se sade no a good motivation if the GFA should open up na wa mama kwenya na omaya. I think so kindness so almost five because we saw some jam akoko. I think say it was so beautiful. Okay. Enti one thing I mean so much say I think say my boys enya morale I feel I say they are going all out and so it can be.
Okay. But once a Ghana for you nipa e come say you want homete pa.
Yeah.
2024 ni mu no na enkoyi. Na team bia she Ghana.
Yes.
Ema ye kasa ya see in deserve team no. Nyame adom fast forward 2025. Ye ne Chad abo. Ya show 5. Now people are saying say Chad native.
And yeah, true.
Huh?
I say
why?
Tie a team so nye team. It's not maybe start me di can catch you no. Chad ye team and so any team. As compared to Ghana and Senegal, but it will be very tough. Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire, but it will be very tough.
Say in case you share, Madagascar like you're winning like 4, 5, 6 goals.
Yeah, Madagascar is a team way ahead of Chad.
Okay,
Enti ebema, yebeshe goals krana maybe might, and I say it cannot be like say share Chad no. So what I would say is, after Madagascar game, and you be who say team build fan into my pelfra, and I say be a crocodile John. Because you will players power. I'm telling you, any child we know before say match never commence, on say na ye training kakra warm ups near the now she players by a good parker. With na se dwene ho asa na de pa na esi Ghana kwan a edru ba bi like mretie ye mu team ni gija ya na ye hu de ye kra fe de obia ukobo Black Star Ghana Black Star din kra na buafu no. Enti what I will say is ye ne Madagascar match we no na ye betimi ehu se ya fa entuma pelfra se team no sa build ana say omo be ye crocodile John.
Yeah, me sure stacks now.
Yeah.
Ghana out against Madagascar no, you bought 6 matches.
Oh, okay.
Black Stars in Madagascar, you bought 6 matches. Ghana we need 2.
Oh, okay.
And Madagascar so we need 2.
And you bought
draws 2. Into nyame adoma a match a very crucial.
Very, very.
Yeah, which means omomodu. Yeah, no.
See, my own, I want the same tally, no.
Yeah,
you should know, say.
And I think say your group, da second.
Second, okay.
The 10 points.
And yeah, that's say.
And I Ghana that first, yeah, the 12 points.
Okay.
Yeah, now about 5 matches. Ghana winning 4. You bought draw 0 and you lose 1. Madagascar bought 5 matches. Oma winning 3. Oma bought draw 1 and Oma lose 1.
Okay.
Inti nyame adoma it's no match Nia obese no obeba beda first.
Okay.
We go more 10 points. Omusha omaba 13. Ebema Ghana remaining on the 12 points.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, beda second. And as a Ghana sha, you go 15 points. Which ebema you more you do.
Yes, a bit boosty, morale and BBR.
So Ghana to me sha, I think say your chances at the World Cup me very high.
Okay.
Because Ghana Shaka 4 matches with 15 points. Yaki will be more than 2 matches.
Oh, okay.
It which means 3 matches. You shot 3 matches continuous. Ghana qualify.
Qualify, okay. But the whole thing is, anything I did can't you know. Chad, only Chad bobola. Don't think say with team no a top notch. And I say Black Star build it to an extent. Say just say you real World Cup. I don't know.
Yeah, because
That shouldn't be the
yes, red Ghana for jubilating.
No, on set the ama obi jubilating say because of say World Cup no Yakobon America no. And then you Ghana ya dream say America there. On say bas answer ye beam and ma embassy restrictions ne eba from one them. And I make my bumping into a lot of content that will be and more Ghana for America you be chromo passport or there video you know I say America no more beko. But what I'm saying is Osha Chada what she team so she team.
Okay. Now no, you call your group now.
Yeah.
One Chad about 5 matches.
Yeah.
Or Lucy 5.
Oh.
Or 0 points. Which means only the Otesunyame.
Oches. Omo
Points.
Ombe points no masa Kofi.
Yeah, Otesunyame. I don't see Mestre Medafo. So one pa ibi afata Black Stars echi.
Yeah.
Onyame admire because Madagascar no. Omo ya stubborn.
Very, very.
Your group no. Omo that second. Omo share omo be that first. Yani omo statistically. You have 6 matches. Oma share 2 times. Yes, I should 2 times. And you have draw
2 times.
which means
very crucial. Pepe. And I was at then time now you di a dean and as a country ever born a trim.
Yeah.
This new age, you know. Surprises in Kwana. Ain't na what watch ya Betty D boys this time more.
Yeah.
Only a mention there might be craft the mechanic say yemfa din more match beam and yemfa players more match beam this time around is about say oko all out we win what you say and you know let's say yem bought yene Madagascar match we to say the year boy a final match to enter into World Cup a year cobon with USA no yes sana mi huno.
Okay. Yeko player ratings.
For now, no.
Me be rated player.
There be me who lapses, a little bit lapses for Ghana Chad match, no. I think say na Ghana for a bash team na changing, no. We were trying to over impress, you know, supporters, no, and I said the whole nation. Wahum. Inti ma ne koye say child the team Ghana for ball pa. But on the side of Kudus Ghana for believe, you know. Yenyina ya jewatum. And you don't need more to impress. Just say relax in a bubble. One will make you know. Don't feel say we are shit. And I answer Ghana for pressure be say Kudus obe bobo energy shigu mayo Inaki Jordan. Oh, it is sad pressure no. A weight be swap players. And he say, Omu say, Ebianinia Inaki a share, Semenyo a share, Kudus of all a star boy, also not so share, no making it in. And he, a ma tension be back players so, because I'll share ball na Kudus say Bonah or Bobo pa, but Unya boa to release ball no, or check or percent, you know, or dribble or pursue rim or pursue shake go, you know, match be or wa nim se ube shake go. But odi ye dirty work ni na o colleagues and share. And when you ba ye glorify my team ni na. What I say? Yeah, and you know, Chad de I wouldn't say Black Star ya dia me funny say ye biya.
Okay, so one thing I mean who your last goal no.
Yeah.
Ghana ne Chad no last goal no. On say Bonnie free you want to buy your guy no, but what's the guy?
Gideon Mensah.
Also other man captain no.
Yes, Jordan. Na Jordan ma
Jordan yeah backflip.
Yes. And it's Niama.
And a Nyama ball
Yes.
But Nyama share ball no. Ocean ball Jordan.
It creates.
Chance no create man no.
Yeah.
A classic.
A very.
Bibi san Ocean goal na yem pre hon ko jubilate.
Yeah.
Enya nipa na or the ball no ma no. It was very wrong.
Yes.
So what the ball cha a person like Messi. Pass ball Emma Messi.
And shit no onja hoda.
Emma ninja.
Otene in such no wa froze bra. Now I be hage.
Me idea me.
No, but the problem is, let me come in here.
There be me a boy me.
Minim say be how. Ain't now slogan say ya.
No, so yeah senior.
Minim.
Mami take this opportunity. More of obeying players no.
Yeah.
Also nina no psychological.
Very good.
Say me create chance man na wo sha. Mami feel say
when you saw.
And
then we are doing it as a team.
Gratitude is a must.
Yeah.
Say me no man selfish. Na me dwene ho na ma flip ball na fa me na echi.
Yes.
Na wo washa.
Yeah.
Enko jen munyam enko pren munyam ho.
Yeah.
Men ka say no money selfishly.
Yeah.
But out of emotions. But you know maybe ho Sebi, you trust on him, yeah, wechi, na bit me pointing it out.
Unse, sim be crack or so, and so I dream muscle. Kudus kotoi, and and I see the sea or say, call for the beat with your name polish it. Any jena or 80 well we cry. There you were who okay, who know well whom. But say, Kudus cry, say, unse, sounded like say, camera say she Kudus crass I smart to say the only in the boot.
Yeah.
So I see now, yeah.
I don't think these platforms, no.
Yeah.
Yes, no. We amplify and you maybe a sebi.
Nipe and our attention in course so
very good.
Yes, true.
I don't see team no. Now you say together on the side. But one thing, we a professional player. Any selma we finish. Why the name the soma winya
assist in the bar?
Assist near why the name the so winya opportunity.
Yeah, for real.
Because it's a top players in na Oma Mbappe pass.
Yeah.
Emmanin share, Emmanin Tuamika and cut touchline ko defense that.
No.
Obesho show.
Yes.
Messi impossible mano. Na o shene Mbappe family can ko baby. Obesho share Messi.
Odi captain is such to say. No, I see. Into no correct me frel.
And ball. Yeah, they say. Unse unya buffer the nechi.
Yeah.
It's not zanning chain. Like 1 or 2 meters away, centimeters away.
Yeah.
Oh, Benankasa.
Yes, for real.
It was severe Nippon now.
No, sometimes then I make us escape no kakra. Because sometimes she any bit me am work to be every more. Ube no.
No blaming.
Yeah. But my was here because unse sisi no.
But informational.
Yeah,
we have to push it. Say by a BCB.
Yeah, for real. Matewa say they all kind you have a point because when says no is a teamwork. Yeah, build it and then you build it and yet physically, mentally, spiritually.
And
be
seen at the Sahame. Or also would jubilating no. Na Jordan F. Chen said, "Now you
ever banning hustle."
Yes, Jordan H. Pansan or Obekan Umuhu.
Yeah, for real. Okay.
It's no, yeah, when you a chance on a Jordan Ebekan Umuhu.
Yes.
But Osho Omana commit my bena. The jubilation na Jordan because I need 18 bucks.
Yeah, because yes,
one man of that attention.
Yeah.
And my also chin on
but
I'll buy it. But buy any crown, na me expect to say. Obey Bibia me say over.
Yes, over excitement in a beer.
Bibia san Bibi anye clear.
Yeah.
But it's too early say you be projecting the negative energy.
Yeah, for real.
Amongst them. But the yes friend say assisted there. A boy.
Hey, true.
Obi the mawa.
And I will cry and yet like also assisted there. A happy na go the bar. Ni pane ben. Enti hag krana utimi mana so akọ touchline ho fans no a celebrity you ama own amateur no yes.
Ni jubilation no yeah What you ball where actually?
Now on kwa tria be shake.
Kobwashe. And ultimate jubilate is about
Straight to
beating the master creative ideas.
a creative amount.
Wait, it was like a penalty.
Yeah.
MC idea.
Yeah, for real. Like I'm saying, you know, who say Sisiano, sene usikano. Yeah, it's here, no. We see these things and negatively, but we draw attentions to let it. I won't say, mehu, obiahu. Yeah,
I know. Nipa be brave. It's
very
good for sure.
And I can't remember say Enra na yeshe excepts no. And then I was with my brothers in T, you know, you know, boys, yeah, G and unim sa me who Kudus there no. So it was one of my brothers that drew my attention. He said, "Oh, Kudus akotokra aye say ya or faubuti so no polish no. Niaman so any jena broswama well it's that speech no.
Ghana Black Stars woman.
No, I think say
Maybe.
unless say yes, yeah, check it facts no. Enti ama well who I don't so. Enti my brothers draw my attention. He said, "Oh, no, so the but you know, boys no. I'm gonna tell you we only saw my dressing room, I'm castle, the big creative jokes. So say, yeah, you know, and yeah, dear, I would say, a big deal be but say you see kind of gratitude is always a must. Yeah, just to make the team solid and then make you feel like say ubia together. So a trooper so also what me a true light on the course, no.
Okay, no, I should go there.
Oh, okay.
Ernest Kiwama scored his first goal for Ghana national team on September 7, 2023 in a 2-1 victory against Central African Republic during 2023 African Cup of Nations qualifiers.
Oh, okay.
His goal secured Ghana's qualification for the tournament. More recently, 21st March 2025, contributed to the 5-0 win over Chad. Okay, as of 2022, Nuama has scored 4 goals in 17 appearances for the Black Stars.
Oh, okay.
Which means, and the first time.
No, I share.
And then don't say, oh,
yeah.
Nuama, Papa, some called
Ernest.
Na me adoma goals ni de say and a prunimo bie.
Yeah.
And you know, assist ni de odi be ma no. Papa, and he say, oh wow, there be the assist ni ma ni de. Ono na also your first point of
contact. Yeah, before you run to the, you know, so touch line, no.
Ni respect ni mano.
Yeah.
Any one who let me tell you.
Yeah.
Your chances yene Madagascar Monday.
It's gonna be semijina haka sebia Ghana be fan easy. Our platform you so platform you kwachi made intro. So I'm gonna say Ghana for encore all out. Even the least we can do is a draw.
Okay.
Now intimate maintaining, you know, top spot now. Yeah, more draw. Or if chance never, let's see a bit me show so yen hit you hard. So this is what I would say. Yen easy, like how we played with Shatta, goes it flew so within 5 minutes near she go. No, it's not gonna be like that. Inti no. There may so much as when they say mo omo mi ending kuku. The least should be draw.
Looking for the perfect home away from home? Stay with Pcash Properties in Akira Made, Kumasi. Luxurious, fully furnished spaces designed for your comfort. Book now, Ghana, +2 332 45 356 907 UK, +4 479 4606 0393. Visit www.pcashproperties.com. Your dreams stay awaits. Don't wait. Book today.